Hello cute babies, today we are going to learn using of vowels. Make words by using vowels. The vowels is A, E, I, O, U. So let's start. This is the picture of cap. The spelling is C, A, P, cap. This is the picture of mat. The spelling is M, A, T, mat. This is the picture of pen. The spelling is P, E, N, pen. This is the picture of bin. The spelling is B, I, N, bin. C-A-P, cap. M-A-T, mat. P-E-N, pen. B-I-N, bin. This is the picture of pot. P-O-T, pot. This is the picture of sun. Spelling is S-U-N, sun. This is the picture of cup. C-U-P, cup. This is the picture of tub. T-U-B, tub. P-O-T, pot. S-U-N, sun. C-U-P, cup. T-U-B, tub. Colors name R, E, D, red. Red means lal. Red means lal. P, I, N, K, pink. Pink means gulabi. Pink means gulabi. B, L, U, E, blue. Blue means neela. Blue means neela. Y, E, L, L, O, W. Yellow. Yellow means peela. Yellow means peela. B, L, A, C, K. Black. Black means kala. Black means kala. G, R, E, E, N. Green. Green means hara. Green means hara. W, H, I, T, E, white. White means safed. White means safed. G, R, E, Y. Grey. Grey means slaty. Grey means slaty. O, R, A, N, G, E, orange. Orange means santri. Orange means santri. Red. Red means lal. This is the red color. P-I-N-K, pink. Pink means gulabi. This color is pink. B-L-U-E, blue. Blue means neela. This is the blue color. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Yellow means peela. This color is yellow. B-L-A-C-K, black. Black means kala. This color is black. G-R-E-E-N, green. Green means hara. This color is green. W-H-I-T-E, white. White means safed. This color is white. G-R-E-Y, grey. Grey means slaty. The color is grey. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Orange means santri. This color is orange. Subscribe my channel for such more videos. Thanks for watching.